Eighth chapter, measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 2A, Part 1. This measures of dispersion nothing but statistics. You can find data is given. That data you can find a mean or median or variance or standard deviation. This type of problems explained in the chapter measures of dispersion. In this measures of dispersion, data having two types. One is grouped data, another one is ungrouped data. First one is data ungrouped data. Second one is grouped data. In this ungrouped data and grouped data, ungrouped data nothing but a series. Here series is given nothing but x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma and so on xn. This is ungrouped data. Grouped data we have to take continuous and discontinuous. Continuous discrete frequency is there. Next normal grouped data is there. This is in the form of table form is there. Here you can use intervals, class intervals. After that range also you can use in this data. Here total operations is mean, next to median, after that variance, after that standard deviation. Total 4 topics. First you can introduce mean. What is the meaning of mean? Mean nothing but sum of the observations by number of the observation. Suppose I have explained ungrouped data mean. Ungrouped data mean formula, sum of the observations. Sum of the observations by number of observations is called mean. This mean also be called arithmetic mean. This arithmetic mean also be called average. Average or arithmetic mean or mean all are same meaning. In this sum of the observations summation of I is equal to 1 to n xi by number of observations is n. This is a mean formula of the which data and discuss problems of the mean ungrouped data. Exercise 8, first problem. Find the mean deviation about the mean. You know that mean formula. Mean deviation about the mean formula you don't know. I am explaining that formula here. Mean deviation about the mean for the following data. This is which data? Ungrouped data. In this ungrouped data, mean formula is there. Mean equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. First you can find the mean. After that I am explain the mean deviation formula. First mean formula is what here? Mean or denoted with x bar equal to sum of the observations. Here mean denoted with x bar equals sum of the observations nothing but 38 plus 70 plus 48 plus 40 plus 42 plus 55 plus 63 plus 46 plus 54 plus 44 all by total how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 observations. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 2 how much? 18, 18 plus 5 23, 23 plus 3 26, 26 plus 6 32, 32 plus 4 36, 36 plus 4 40. Nothing but we can write 0 4 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 5, 31, 31 plus 6, 37, 37 plus 4, how much? 41, 41 plus 5, 46, 46 plus 4, 50, nothing but 500 by 10, 10 ones are 10 50s, then 50 is the arithmetic mean or mean. What is the mean here? Mean is 50. After that, you can find mean deviation about the mean. Mean deviation about the mean. About the mean. Mean deviation about the mean denoted with the MD. M nothing but mean, D nothing but deviation. Mean deviation about the mean denoted with MD. Summation of I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar modulus over by n. This is the formula. What is the MD formula here? MD mean deviation formula is what here? Summation of I is equal to 1 to n modulus of xi minus x bar over by n. Here n is the number of observations. N is what here? Number of observations. N is equal to number of observations. X bar equal to mean. X bar equal to what here? Mean. Xi is equal to observation. X1 first observation. X2 second observation. X3 third observation. Like this. You know that x bar mean 50 and mean deviation of formula also is there. You can find here n is the number of observations. You can find xi minus x bar summation. Nothing but you have to take xi. Xi values are 38, 70 and 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54, 44. This is the xi value. After that, you can find xi minus x bar modulus. Here xi 38 minus 50. How much? 38 minus x bar nothing but 50. 38 minus 50 minus 12. Minus 12 modulus having plus 12. Correct or not? Understood or not? Here is all the observations. Xi values. You can find xi minus x bar modulus of xi minus x bar. That's why xi 38 minus x bar 50. 38 minus 50 how much? Minus 12. Here modulus is there. That's why minus 12 having positive. Next one is what here? 70 minus 50 how much? 70 minus 50 20. Modulus of 20 also be 20. Next 50 48 minus 50 how much? 48 minus 50 minus 2. Modulus having plus 2. Similarly 40 minus 50 how much? Minus 10. Modulus we can write plus 10. 42 minus 50 how much? Minus 8. Modulus we can write plus 8. Okay students, 55 minus 50 how much? Minus plus 5. You can write modulus also be plus 5. 63 minus 50 how much? 63 minus 50 13. That is also be positive. 46 minus 50 how much? 46 minus 50 minus 4. Modulus having plus 4. 54 minus 50 how much? 54 minus 50 how much? 4. That is positive. 44 minus 50 how much? Minus 6. That is negative. Modulus having positive. You can find the xi minus x bar like this. You can add this all terms. You can add this all terms. Summation of xi minus x bar is equal to 12 plus 20 plus 2 plus 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 13 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. What is up? 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 8 12. 12 plus 5 17. 17 plus 3 20. 20 plus 4 24. 24 plus 4 how much? 28. 28 plus 6 34. 34. 3 is there. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 84 is the summation of xi minus x bar value. One implies, what is the one here? One is the mean deviation above the mean. mean deviation about the mean equal to summation of this value is, you know that MD equal to summation of this total value equal to how much? 84 by n value is 10. 84 by 10 approximately value is 8.4. 8.4 is the mean deviation about the mean of the ungrouped given data. Given data mean is 50. After that we can find the mean deviation. This is a very important 2 marks problem in IB examination. This chapter coming to the 2 plus 7 total 9 marks. But 2 marks problems just coming to the ungrouped data. Today assignment or homework problem is find the mean deviation about the mean for the following data. Once again ungrouped data is given here. First mean formula. What is the formula of mean? Sum of the observations. Sum of the observations by number of observations. Number of observations. This is the formula of mean. After that mean deviation MD equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole by n. Here n is what? Number of observations. First we can find the sum of the observation by number of observation mean. After that we can find the xi minus x bar modulus value. After that adding these all terms, that term substituted in this numerator, n value is number of observation. This problem also you can do that previous problem model. This is a 2 marks mean deviation about the mean ungrouped data.